MoneyLion has been gaining attention lately, but before you decide to make it your go-to financial app, there are 12 important things you should know. We'll dive into what sets MoneyLion apart from its competitors like Mint and Personal Capital, so you can make an informed decision. First, MoneyLion offers a combination of financial tools like budgeting, credit monitoring, and investment management all in one app. It's a convenient solution for managing your finances, but keep in mind that there are other apps like Mint and YNAB that specialize in just budgeting or credit tracking. If you need a more specialized experience, these apps might be a better fit. Next thing to consider is MoneyLion's Roar Money checking account. This account has no monthly fees, but it does come with some limitations, like only offering one free ATM withdrawal per month. If you frequently withdraw cash, this could be an inconvenience. Some competitors, like Chime, offer more fee-free ATMs, making them a better choice if accessing cash is a priority for you. The third thing is their credit builder loan feature, which helps users improve their credit score by borrowing and paying back small loans. This can be a great option for those trying to boost their credit, but remember, this feature might not be as flexible as other credit building options, like self-credit builder accounts, which let you control the amount you're borrowing. The fourth thing to know is MoneyLion's investment tools. They offer an automated investment service for users, but it's not as robust as other investment apps like Betterment or Wealthfront. Those services have more personalized options for people who are looking to build wealth with more advanced strategies. So, if you're an experienced investor or want more control over your portfolio, MoneyLion's investment options might not be enough. Next, MoneyLion offers cash advances up to $250, which is a feature not commonly seen in personal finance apps. However, this is only available for premium members, and the interest rates can get high. So, if you're someone who might need quick access to cash, it's important to factor in those potential costs before committing to the premium subscription. The sixth thing is MoneyLion's credit score monitoring. This is one of their more standout features, as it offers users the ability to track their credit score for free. While other apps like Credit Karma offer this as well, MoneyLion's integration with other financial tools makes it a more streamlined option for users who want everything in one place. The seventh thing you should know is that MoneyLion has partnered with different services to offer cashback deals on specific purchases. These partnerships can help you save money on everyday purchases, but the selection of merchants can be a bit limited compared to other cashback programs like those from Rakuten or Swagbucks. Moving on, the eighth thing to mention is MoneyLion's premium membership, which unlocks the best features, including increased cashback, access to credit builder loans, and the ability to earn interest on your checking account. However, some users have reported that the premium fees are steep compared to other apps offering similar features at a lower cost. Next, let's talk about MoneyLion's user interface. The app is generally easy to navigate, with an attractive and clean design. However, some users have pointed out that the app can be slow to load or has glitches at times. While other apps like Mint have a more polished user experience, MoneyLion still offers a user-friendly experience overall. The 10th thing is the customer service. MoneyLion offers customer support through chat, email, and phone, but there are mixed reviews on how helpful and timely their support is. If responsive customer service is a priority for you, you might want to compare their support to other apps, like Personal Capital, which tends to get better reviews for customer service. The 11th thing is the fees involved. While the app itself is free, certain features, especially the premium membership, come with fees. Some users find the charges acceptable for the features offered, but it's important to weigh those costs against the potential benefits. Other apps, like Chime or Capital One, offer many of the same services without any monthly fee. Lastly, the 12th thing you should know is that MoneyLion is best suited for people looking for an all-in-one financial app. While it doesn't have the same depth of features as specialized apps like Robinhood for investing or Mint for budgeting, it's a solid choice if you're looking for a convenient, straightforward solution for your financial management.